Hello everyone, my name is Kostas Kidoniatis and I'll be your instructor for College Algebra Online. Today, in the first video, I'll be going over important parts such as the syllabus, announcements, and assignments, how to find them, and how to submit them in Canvas. Here is the home page of the course in Canvas. In the home page, you'll find the syllabus. So let's start with this one. Syllabus contains all the important parts of the course. Any information you need to know, it will be included here in details. Here are the emails of the instructors. I'll go over them in detail in a bit. And we have also the days of the exams already posted. There are 2 time slots for each exam. The exams will be taken online, but we will be proctoring them via Zoom. There is a PDF with instruction on how to set up the Zoom and what you're expected. Calculators will be allowed through the exams, but there are also more details on what calculators. The general idea, any calculator that has a keyboard is not allowed. It is just calculators that can do basic operations, multiplication, division, square roots, etc., but cannot use matrix nor plot functions. Now, apart from these time slots, in case you have a time zone conflict and you need to take the exam on a different time on the set date, you need to fill out the form in the announcements. We will go in the announcements in a bit. Take note here that those are the days of the exams and the time slots for everyone. If, again, you have a problem, you need to go to the announcements and fill that form by January 24th for all of the exam dates, not just for the first one. Now, for those of you that are able to take the exam in one of the 2 time slots, there will be a form sent out up to 5 days in advance of the exam, and you'll fill that form and we'll assign you to their corresponding time slot. The second part of the syllabus, it is important things you need to pay attention to throughout the course. Most important of which is to check your email at least a couple of times a week and the announcement on Canvas at least a couple of times a week. And if it is the week of the exams or the week before the exams, please check the announcement in your emails daily. There will be instructions there, anything that might change, that will be either in your email or the announcements in Canvas. And there might be actions like fill the form about the time slots of the exam that you'll need to take in response to those emails and announcements. The next part, it is the letter grades of the course. Here are the expected letter grade assignments, but those are subject to change. The final ones will be posted after the final exam is taken. So any questions about the letter grade, please bear in mind that those will change after the exam, the final exam is graded, so we can have a curve if anything is to change. So any emails about that, please wait until then. Syllabus also contains the link to the textbooks that we will be using. You do not need to print that one, but it is helpful to have it along with the notes that are posted in Canvas to go over the material. It also has plenty of examples if you need more of them apart from the recitation ones that are provided or the lecture ones that are provided. Also, here is the specific instructions about your calculators and which ones are allowed and which ones are allowed and not. Next one, for the grading, we have the weighted values. The test and the final will be 70%. The 3 midterms would be a total of 50%. The final will be 20%. The homework is 15% and online homework another 15%. Now, there will probably be also an extra credit assignment or a couple of them, but the total of them will be no more than 5% of your grade. For late assignments, we will not be accepting or grading any late assignments that are not unjustified. Excused late assignments will include like emergencies, and in order to accept the late assignments, you will have to provide justification about it through the student life. Any activities that are not university sponsored do not count as towards the excused assignments. Those that are university sponsored activities, the student life will provide the documentation and they will be mailing to us. After that is taken care of, we will be accepting the said late assignment and it'll be graded normally. Note that the two lowest assignments will be dropped. So you don't need to worry if one time it happens that you missed an assignment date. Same thing goes for the online homework. Online homework, the two lowest will be dropped, and for excused absences, excused missed dates, we will require documentation. For the exams, you are not allowed to miss the final. If a final is missed, then we will have to discuss about an incomplete, and that is only if the final is an excused absence. If the final it is an unexcused absence, but you still pass the course, the letter grade you are assigned will be lowered by 1. There is a specific example here in the syllabus. Now, if it happens that you get an excused absence for one of the midterms, we will be assigning the average of the other 2 midterms that you take. So it will not affect your grade at all. But you cannot have excused absence for more than 1 midterm. The last part are general information about policies of the university in the syllabus. Now let's go back to the homepage. Here it also has, for a quick access, the Zoom setup instructions for the exams. It has the instructor emails and some information about which instructor to email. That is not a strict rule, but we recommend picking the instructor you are assigned to email to have a faster reply and split the load of emails between the 3 instructors. Now, that does not apply for the Zoom links and the office hours. For those, you pick whichever one works the best for you, as a time slot or as an instructor goes, as far as an instructor goes. Now, here are the Zoom links, and those will be used for the exams. When you are assigned to an exam, you'll be assigned to an instructor to proctor you. Pick the corresponding Zoom link. It also has the textbook link and the help room hours that will be updated soon. Here we have the table for the office hours. Clicking the name on the link will take you to the corresponding Zoom link for the office hours to the set day. Make sure you know which day you are picking and which instructor. There are some exclusions to the table, like the office hours run for 50 minutes. So make sure that if the instructor is not there, it might be on the 10-minute gap in each hour that they have as a break. Later on the homepage, we also have the homework. You can also find them in the assignment sections. Make sure to pay attention to the due dates. Each homework assignment has its own due date, and they'll be changing colors as they're past due. Now, if you click one of the week X videos and notes, you will see the links for the corresponding videos and notes. There is a PDF with the notes from the lectures. The videos for the lecture are usually marked as watched by Thursday. And at the bottom, there will be a YouTube link for the recitation video. The last part is the announcements. Make sure you check them frequently. There will be an icon here to notify you that there is a new announcement. And the most important we have right now, it is the alternate exam time request form. Please make sure you fill it by the January 24th if the exam times that are posted in the syllabus do not work for you. And we'll try to make our best efforts to assign you to a time slot that it works for you, and we'll proctor a separate exam. This will be all for today. I wish you a great week, and anything you need about the course, feel free to email the 3 instructors.